All these points being true, what kind of content should businesses publish?
There's lots of kinds. Like the highest value content that a business could produce would be the things that are about their business that they know people are looking for. If I know that I've got a subset of audience that is asking questions, that is looking for information, I'm going to try and produce high value content to answer those questions that I know that are going to be asked over and over and over again, that I'm not going to count on my audience just finding through my website or something like that. I'm going to deep dive. So for example, any kind of how-to content specific to the business or specific to the things you're making, very important. If I was going to choose one, it would be publishing video content around how to get the best results of your product or service. I would say off the hop.
When you actually put those pages and those articles out there, do you have a conversion mechanism on those pages? When someone actually reaches that content, is there a clear way for them to take the next step to interact with your brand on a deeper level? If you're not thinking about these things before you start to put out content, you can waste a lot of time and money, as you said, building bridges to nowhere that don't actually move the needle for your business.